Inclusion is a conscious choice we make every day. A choice to step in for someone, to lift them, to support them, and to open the door wider to make space for every voice to be heard.
The Jangpura numbers, Akash, they're not matching up. I've highlighted them and fixed them, but I'm not confident enough.
Relax, Radhika.
We have a meeting in 30 minutes. And I still need to work on this, buddy.
You're thinking too much.
I know, but I hope Jay's in a good mood, actually. This is critical. He has already shared his feedback multiple times. He might get furious if I go just last minute.
Radhika, why the stress? He coaches so many people daily. He won't even remember the feedback he has shared with you. All you have to do is submit the report and be done.
But the data...
Listen, let's go. We are already late.
So how's the report shaping up?
Actually, Jay, I need your help. I mean, while I completed it last night, I realized there are a few more errors. And we need to really work on those gaps.
Radhika, it's already 6 p.m. and we have to submit the report tomorrow morning. How can you come at me with all of this now? What were you waiting for all this while? While I believe you should have raised an alarm earlier, not at the last minute, but we'll discuss that later. For now, let's fix the issues and decide on the next steps. Alright, great. Compliments to you, Radhika. This is a good output. I am super happy and proud of you. Don't ever hesitate to share your inputs whenever you spot gaps next time. Anyways, it's a conversation for later. Today is your day. You deserve the credit. I was wondering, would you like to come and present with me to the board?
It would be an honor.
He saw a leader where I saw a learner. Someone believed in me before I believed in myself. Coaching isn't about fixing mistakes, it's about unlocking potential.
I was checking the stars for the Purple League. You know what? Female participation is negligible.
Obviously, Nidhi, it's the Purple League. We need players who hit boundaries, not just talk about them.
Savage. I guess the trophy isn't really unisex then.
Come, we are late for the meeting.
These Singhania accounts are bleeding. There's a massive gap in tax filing. If we don't fix this today, I'm afraid we'll lose the client.
Actually, Jay,
we need
I
to
checked.
recheck every single invoice manually. Akash, Nidhi, start digging. We are staying here tonight until and unless it's done. But wait. You had a point. Please go ahead.
Jay, it's not the invoicing error, it's the category error. So the shipping costs that we tagged were actually taxable instead of exempt. So if we remove that particular column from the sheet, the gap will drop instantly 0.
Good catch, Radhika.
Female participation is negligible.
Obviously, Nidhi, it's the Purple League. We need players who hit boundaries, not just talk about them.
You know, looking at the stats, sometime game changes long before you realize who's actually on the pitch.
He didn't speak for me, He cleared the path so I could be heard. Allyship isn't about answers, it's about creating space. That moment taught me the power of listening, of sharing, and of building a constellation where every voice matters.
Did you see that email? They actually gave the CCG lead to Radhika.
Big move.
Radhika is leading this? Please. The client is a shark. She's way too gentle. She's gonna get eaten alive.
Can I say something? She managed the crisis last quarter while the sharks were still panicking. And you know what? She doesn't need to be loud to be effective, Pragya. Just check the numbers.
He didn't silence the room to save me. He simply refused to let the disrespect slide. A true ally doesn't wait for approval. They stand beside you even when no one else dares to.
Oh God, I just got a message from home. My daughter has met with an accident. They have rushed to the hospital.
Oh God, what happened?
I don't know. I understand we have worked so hard on this presentation, but my daughter also needs me.
Shit. Does it mean I need to give this presentation alone?
Hey, you two, stop getting anxious. You just leave now, okay? We'll manage the PPT. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Andrea, you just don't worry. You already know everything. You'll do a great job.
I know, it's the room I'm worried about. As a person belonging to the community, standing for my rights and respect, here's a lot to handle. I fear they'll focus on my identity, not on my presentation skills.
Ria, your identity is your truth, but your talent is why you are here. You are here to lead the conversation. You belong to that room. And your voice matters regardless of your gender. Throughout my career, my leaders saw my potential and refused to let my identity overshadow my abilities. And now, it's my turn to stand beside others, to share the load, and to render support wherever and whenever it's needed.
Fantastic presentation by all the teams. Now, I would like to call upon Radhika to share her stellar career journey with all of us.
Thank you, Prachi. I didn't climb here alone, and I won't let anyone climb alone either. Inclusion isn't a policy, it's a moment of reflection. It's asking whose voice is missing before we decide. Real leadership admits mistakes and shares the spotlight. People next to you don't need a rescuer, they need a bridge. Be the one who builds it. Because when we truly listen, we don't just change the room, we change the game.